We had some older analog type C-arms. We wanted to have that digital platform. Our XR Fusion C-arms, great addition to our surgical suites. Flat detector panels, sharper imaging. We don't get as much distortion as we used to. Our pain management doctor, he's placing needles in the spinal cord, right? He was reading how the images get distorted on your analogs around the corners, and he wanted that precise imaging no matter where that needle was. He's talking millimeters of accuracy, and that digital platform was able to give that to him with the XR Fusion.
The quality compared to the X-ray Fusion is pinpoint. Also, it's a lot easier to maneuver. It comes with a laser, so it helps me center more efficiently for him. It's easier for me to access, have everything in my monitor right in front of me while he has the bigger monitor.
After demoing even other vendors and other C-arms, that the XR Fusion was definitely the one that we wanted to go with.
Brown's Medical, they showed me the ins and outs of it. They were really great when they trained me.